myself, Dochterman, and I'll be showing you a CNC Lego bot I made. It's a pancake bot, but we're not using a grill, so I just this is a homemade one. So all you do, you just line it up and it pulls it. And it will pull it to one side, and it's just like a CNC, so it can move that way, and it will also go the other way, and you can do two at the same time. And I'm not using electricity, so it's kind of hard. It's hand, and I worked on it yesterday, December 23rd, 2014, and we're showing this a day, a bunch of hours before Christmas Eve. So